Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today we will learn about the CapCut application, and I would like to show you the way how you can remove the emoji from video clip on the CapCut. Open your CapCut right away and open the project that containing emoji on it. You'll see here is my project, and on my video here there is an emoji inside of the frame here. So if you want to remove it, they will be like a bit tricky. So whenever you click the emoji on this frame, there will be have no action show up here. So if you want to have the action show up or active here, just go click the text sections on the bottom side, and there will be activated the emoji section, and you just need to tap it, and there will be like an actions provided, and you can just go click delete or go click X on this emoji. There will be also the same if the emoji is coming from the text. Let's say here I make this emoji from the text, and then place them into the specific area, and then we just need to go back. You'll see we still have no actions to do with this emoji. So the thing that you have to do is just the same. Go click this text that will be activated into this text section, go click it, and go click X or delete. So those clip will be removed. So that is the way, guys, how you can remove emoji from video clip only with the CapCut. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's move again into other tutorial.